Despite the drop in the COVID-19 curve in the country, the Ministry of Health says counties of Mombasa and Turkana are recording a worryingly increasing number of COVID-19 cases in the past few days. According to statistics from the ministry, on the 13th of September, Turkana County came second in the counties with the highest number of COVID-19 cases by recording a total of 29 cases. Mombasa County was the leading county on the 13th of September with a total of 43 cases. On Monday, Mombasa has recorded a total of 20 cases out of 48 cases recorded in the country. Cumulatively, Mombasa has a cumulative number of 2,603 cases, whereas Turkana County has 167 cases so far, with the ministry now warning residents of those counties in taking necessary precautions in order to avoid the looming surge.
The weekend, we continue to monitor trends across different counties, and this weekend we saw an interesting trend where counties such as Mombasa and Turkana, who were on a downward trend, have begun to shot up again. And it becomes important, therefore, to highlight to you, while this might seem like a surge, we have set up teams to be able to closely monitor this situation as it unfolds to determine what is happening in Mombasa and Turkana.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of Health has refuted claims that donor funds for malaria, HIV/AIDS and TB have been withdrawn by donor organizations, saying there are talks to smoothen the issue. Global Fund is said to have threatened to withdraw its support to Kenya in the next round of funding.
We've seen the reports in the media, and internally within the ministry, there is a KCM secretariat, that's the Kenya Coordinating Mechanism Secretariat, that continues to meet to be able to ensure that there will be no loss of funds. So at this point, there is no loss of money that has happened in terms of the grant. The grant process is ongoing, and I'm aware the teams are actually making progress in terms of being able to ensure that the process is aligned to Global Fund regulations.
This is as the number of COVID-19 cases rose to 36,205 cases after 48 more people tested positive for the virus in the last 24 hours. 176 people have recovered as 2 more people succumbed to the virus. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.